After you created an account on LinkShock's webpage and you are logged in, you can click Tutorials, then Download App, then click on Downloaded File, and if this window shows up, click More Info, then Run Anyway. Now we have to install the application. Click Agree, then choose the location for the file. You can create a shortcut on the desktop, and to install the DirectX, click Accept and then Next. After that, click Finish, and we have to install the redistributable. Click Agree and then Install. After that, we can close all the windows and we can open the application to see if it works and how it looks like. The application has additional feature to prevent accidentally closing in the middle of the drive, so the only way to close it is by clicking on the file, then close application. Now in search bar, check for Setup USB Game Controller. Click on that, and now you can connect your SimGear or any other game controller that you're using. Click on your game controller and move the steering wheel and pedals to see if axes are recognized and working good. If the game controller is fine, you can find a good position for the station. Make sure you're using a primary radio terminal to connect the antenna. Check if little arrow on the antenna points towards the track that you're planning to drive on. Now open LinkShock's application and connect USB cable into computer and into the station as well. The application will show that the station is connected, and this leads us to LinkShock's tutorial number 2.